Like the point, Mike, is like you could just choose your home address, which is what I did. But then Amazon will not check that. They're just gonna check the zip code.
If you're making up addresses or using people, the safest is to stay in the same zip code. Just
It's gonna be
100%
the
want to
same zip.
make sure the very first order on that account goes to the exact same address as the billing address you put in.
Actually, I have a question. What we speak right now about. So basically, when we have to match shipping address, the first one where basically we order our first item on Amazon, and it has to match the zip code on the our billing address from the card. So my question is like with privacy card that we can have like I don't know like 10 or 20 cards. So we can ask for to have the zip code which we actually want in like with privacy cards.
I don't remember if you can. I'm pretty sure you have some influence
You
over.
definitely cannot. It's only one billing account in privacy. Actually, you can add more than one billing. But
Okay.
again, my recommendation is just, if you're making up addresses or using people, the safest is to stay in the same zip code, right? If you can create an employee card, obviously you can use their address if they're across the country. It doesn't matter. I just haven't had success with that, especially American Express, unless you have their social security number.
And again, I think the point is like to make 100 Amazons, you don't really need to go beyond just your zip code. Like there's plenty of ways to make that work. So, I would just stick to like the point, Mike, is like you could just choose your home address, which is what I did. But then Amazon will not check that. They're just gonna check the zip code. So then you can use like again, like Caleb was saying, you can go to local businesses. Um, Again, you can just do like random homes. You can do a lot of things. So,
Oh,
Especially if
got
you're
you,
in the
got you.
city. If you're in the city, you're gonna have a lot of people around you that you're gonna have enough businesses around you.
but
Uh, you
yeah.
just have to do the work,
You just
and it's gonna be
100%
the
want to
same zip.
make sure the very first order on that account goes to the exact same address as the billing address you put in.
Yeah,
Which
yeah, yeah. So
they're going
whatever
to
billing
ask you
address,
when you
yeah,
use
yeah,
that card. They're going to
yeah.
ask you for the billing address when you use the card. So
But not the one on the card though. It's the one you entered to Amazon. Like then you make that the address you're gonna ship to, and then it should all match the zip code, right? So, Mike, does that make sense? I'm sorry if that was confusing.
Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Thank you.
Awesome.